It's a wonderful Thursday morning, and we are on our way to shoot an out-of-town wedding at Iloilo City for my homie, Kit Avanceña. It's been years since my last flight, and that was before pandemic, when we went to Batanes. Like really boy, time flies so fast. Speaking of flying, we are now 1,000 feet above ground, gliding at the sea of clouds. It only took less than an hour, and we arrived safely at the city of love, Iloilo.
What's up everybody? We're now here at Iloilo. Let's go!
After a short nap, we went directly to SM City Iloilo to have our lunch. But of course, we chose something that can only be found in Iloilo, the La Paz Bok Choy.
We are now here in Iloilo, so we are experiencing their famous La Paz Bok Choy. Let's see the broth. Yeah. So we're now witnessing their chicken. Get the sauce. Going for it. It's a very great flavor. I love it. How was your experience, bro?
Nice. Gusto sa maganda dito is, yung meal nila may kasama na mini bok choy. So talagang swak na swak. And they're really preparing it for visitors like us. So, good job.
Napakasarap ng lapas bok choy nila. Sarap na sarap.
Sarap. Ang kanilang bok choy. Parang noodles.
I'm so full. The chicken here is very tasty. As in, there's a lot of garlic in it, and a fusion of crispiness and the tenderness of their chicken. So Iloilo never fails to amaze me with their food. So next up would be to go to their landmarks here, the churches, the plazas. So excited together with my homies here to visit and shoot what Iloilo can offer. So let's go.
One thing that caught my attention is the jeepneys here. So lowered.
What's up everybody? So we're now here at Iloilo proper. So let's go guys.
Just look at those architectural design. It's like in Colon that dates back in the Spanish colonial era. Moving forward, we saw this monument that commemorates the sacrifices of our fellow Filipinos that serves the country during World War II. I was impressed by the design and the patriotism. It was almost sunset, but we never found the place we are looking for. It turns out it was located at the other side of the river. So when we arrived there, it was dusk already. But one thing that really struck me was the monument painted canvas. It was a protruding painting that turns out to be 3D. Such a great artwork. So that ends our day one. It's wedding time!
Day 2 today, here in Iloilo.
The preps was located at the Richmond Hotel. Time to get some establishing shots. Thank God for the good weather. After the preps, we traveled to the church that is called the St. Joseph the Worker Parish. It was beautifully made, infused with rock structure at the front and high ceiling at the inside. It's post-nap time, you won't believe it, but this is actually a bridge. Yes! At first, I thought it looks like a leaf, but it was really inspired by parao, a traditional sailboat commonly found in Iloilo City. Amazing, right? We're almost done for today.
It's reception time! Yay! Alright!
Such unique styling and beautiful ceiling works. Oh, such a lovely couple. And it's a wrap!
What's up everybody? So this will be our last day today here in Iloilo. The wedding yesterday was so good. We're so happy and the couple are amazed with our output.
Sasabi ko sa experience namin sa wedding today is napakaganda. Kasi it was a direct client at the same time totally na-achieve namin yung gusto nila, expectation nila ang grand prenup. And then at the same time, magandang experience para na rin sa entire team to be here in the beautiful place of Iloilo. Such a wonderful place, wonderful people. Thank you, Iloilo.
So what I really loved about Iloilo is their culture is very somewhat the same yet diverse compared to Cebu, and I was amazed by their soft-spoken people here. It's a bit of challenge since we can't understand their dialect, which is the but somehow we have a common ground is Tagalog. So yeah. Also, what I really like about their city is their roads. It's really freaking wide. So yeah, had like 4 lanes, being left and right. What the heck? And besides of that, there's also a diverse road, and then urban planning here is really great, very good. Salute to government. Hopefully this will be implemented also in Cebu, because as you can see, Cebu traffic is so freaking bad. What I really love about Iloilo is their food. They're like I see the tapas pachoy chicken here is so great, so good. I wish we had much more time to spend here. Nevertheless, all is good. All is amazing. Thank you, Iloilo, and see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.
Our stay here in Iloilo was short yet a memorable one. We've tasted such delicious food, met incredible people, and experienced their culture. Stories were written and engraved in our memories. And as I reflected, 2023 was truly surprising, yet a year full of growth and change. And just like a book, as the current chapter was about to end, a new chapter begins. Cheers.